subscribed to my channel, make sure that you have subscribed to my channel. Take the time out, click subscribe. If you do not have your bell notifications turned on, make sure that you turn your bell notifications on so that you never miss a video every time that I upload a video, because it's lit over here, period. Now, as you can tell by the title of the video, you guys, I will be doing a clothing haul from Shein that I got for my baby girl, which y'all didn't even know that. And see, let me tell y'all, first of all, I was gonna do a gender reveal on my channel, but it just never made it. Like, time just kept going and going and going and going and going. And I never got the chance to do the gender reveal. So I kind of just spoiled that. I don't know, I might cut that part out, but I kind of just spoiled it. But I am going to be doing the clothing haul for you guys. And of course, by me doing the clothing haul, you guys will be able to tell what I'm having, being that you guys watched the crib tour, which I'll put right here so you guys can check that video out if you have not seen it. I do need to record another video, but I'm not finished with her room yet. So anyways, you guys, we're gonna go ahead and get on into the video. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, make sure you comment in the comment section down below and tell me which item is your favorite item. Again, these clothes are from Shein, kids clothes. They finally decided to get kids clothes, so y'all, these clothes is from Shein. All right, now I got a job for you. You're gonna hang the clothes. Come on, let's go. So yeah, in the box, they came with like these little papers telling me like all the things that I got and that I ordered. So yeah, I'm not gonna go by and read like none of this because it just doesn't make any sense. I'm just gonna show y'all the clothes as much as I can, and then yeah, we'll just do it like that, y'all. Okay, okay. So, oh Jesus, I got this box, y'all. I'm probably not gonna be able to hold this box because I need to be able to show y'all the clothes. So I'm gonna just dig out the box. But y'all, I got this box of clothes, okay? Okay. Now we're gonna go ahead and get on started with these outfits. They still in the bags, and I'm glad they put it in the bags because whoever delivered the package to my mama's house left the box outside in the rain. So this is her, oh, it came with a bow. This is her first little outfit. It comes with a matching bow for the outfit. I'm not gonna open up, no, this is the belt. I'm not gonna open up the belt. I'm gonna leave it in the bag until it's actually time for her to wear it. I did get like newborn clothes, and I got her all mixture of clothes. So yeah, some of them might look big, some of them might look like, you know, she should be wearing them. Now, I got just all size clothes. So this is a little shirt, and I just thought it was so cute. It got the like the little ruffled shoulders on the shirt and the little ruffled sleeves and this polka dot button down with the collar. I just thought it was cute. And this is her little skirt to go with it. Y'all tell me that's not cute. Tell me that's not cute. I'm gonna go ahead and open outfit number 2, you guys. So she got her little corduroy skirt. I have a skirt like this, but I don't know where it's at anymore. But she has a little corduroy skirt. To go with, she has her little long sleeve black shirt to tuck in her corduroy skirt. Then y'all, she got her little fur jacket. Like, she just had some cute stuff on there. Like, I just could not help myself. Oh wait, what the hell? Oh, it's a little fur. Okay, y'all, this might look weird, but it's like, for a kid, it go right, but it go like this. Here is the third outfit. Now this is one that she'll be wearing when she's a little bit smaller. This is a size 68. It also came with a polka dot belt. It has the plain white onesie shirt. Like I said, she'll be wearing it when she's a bit younger. And then it has her suspender skirt. This is just the cutest little thing. Like, look at her little suspenders. Oh, cool. We're gonna go with outfit number 3. This is like a velvet kind of crushed outfit. So, oh, here are her sweatpants. These are her little sweatpants. They say baby on them. And then you have the little hoodie that also says baby on it, y'all. This one is cute too. I really like this one too. Okay, the next outfit that we're going with, this is a size 90. So this one is a little bigger. Again, it came with a little belt. I think all of her outfits, majority came with a belt. But that one came with a belt. Y'all, I have a lot of clothes. I don't think I'm gonna be able to show y'all all her clothes. I might cut the video so that you guys can see all the clothes. We'll see. Okay, so this is her little skirt. Look at it. It got pockets. No, wait. Yeah, I do. Yeah, it got little pockets on the side. Oh my God. It got the little buttons going down the middle, all the way down. This is the cutest little skirt, y'all. I love stripes, and so does my mom. I think I got it from her, the fact that she likes stripes. I love stripes, though. This is the shirt that it came with. A nice little white blouse. She got some church outfits to go to church, because she gotta go to church, y'all. Because, ooh, Jesus, she my child, she gotta go to church. So this is a little shirt that go with her little skirt. Y'all, this is cute. And I'm not gonna lie, y'all, I might mix match her outfits, you know. So her shirt and her little skirt, it go like that, you know. And then she'll wear it like that. So that's cute. Okay, this is the next outfit, you guys. My mom really liked this outfit because I think this is the bell-bottom outfit. This is the bell-bottom outfit. So these are the pants. They're a little see-through. These are the pants, y'all. They are too cute. They make some of the cutest little clothes. So these are the pants. They like little bell bottoms. Regular little t-shirt, a regular cool girl t-shirt. And I might find a different t-shirt to go with the pants, but yeah, this is the outfit. The next outfit is a size 92. A little bigger. This one is this is big girls. So here's her skirt. I ordered a lot of skirts like these, y'all, because this was just too cute to me. So here's her little skirt. And then, oh, this is a onesie style, so maybe it's not really that big kid. Here's her little shirt that goes inside of the skirt. This one was just too cute to me, you guys. It has ruffles on the neck. And then a polka dot shirt with the green skirt with the ruffles on the suspenders. She made them now. Here's the next outfit, you guys. It also comes with a little belt. I want to know if these are belts or these are headbands, but we're going to figure it out. I want to say they're headbands, though, but I don't know. She got quite a few of them. Quite a few little headband belts. We're going to figure it out. You know, nothing is ever used for what it's supposed to be used for. So these are her little bell-bottom tights, y'all. These is just, look at this. This is just so cute. These are her little bell-bottom tights. Shop for me some clothes. This is her shirt. It has the ruffle sleeves on it, and it's a onesie as well. This is the next outfit. This is a size 90. Just another plain, like, little white shirt. Ruffle sleeves, button down. Really cute. And then you have, again, y'all, I couldn't get over these skirts. You have the skirt with the ruffle suspenders. Hold on, it's not opening. With the ruffle suspenders. So this is her next outfit. This is a size 68. So this is a bit smaller. She'll be able to wear this when she's younger, in her younger ages. So these are polka dot pants with suspenders, y'all. I'm sorry, I couldn't resist. I couldn't help myself. These are polka dot pants with suspenders. And then it just came with a little black shirt, a little plain black shirt. It's really plain, just a little long sleeve plain black shirt. This is the next one. This size is the 68. If I'm not mistaken, this one is just like a little warm-up set. This one is a bow. This one is a bow. We don't have no confusion. This one is the bow. Outfit. Oh, she'll wear this one. She's really small. She has her little onesie, long sleeve shirt. It's like ta-da. And then she has her little tight pants. Little tight. Y'all look at her little legs. Here we go with some more stripes. Y'all know I love stripes. And this is a size 92. But yes, they didn't put this belt in a bag. But this is a belt. Put it up there with the rest of the bows. Okay, because the belt go with the pants, go for the pants around them. So these are her little pants. These are just so cute to me. She got a little ruffle waist and some cuff legs at the bottom. And then this is the shirt that it came with. Little plain, like little graphic tee. It says Classy Cute Girls. All right, this is the next outfit. This is a size 90. Here we go, y'all, with the suspenders again. This is her skirt. This skirt was really cute to me. This is her skirt. I hope the suspenders don't be too long because it looks like it's too long. But this is the suspenders skirt. You know, it got a little bow in the front, plaited. And this is the little shirt that goes with it. I really love the sleeves. The sleeves are really, really cute. Oh! All right, y'all, let me see. I got, ooh. Okay, we got these many more outfits to go. Okay, we really did the most, my friend. Oh, this one was really cute. This one is a size 92. This one is cute. Came with a little bow to match her pants. So that's cute. It got a little onesie, plain navy blue shirt. And then it has her suspender pants. This is just too cute. Mama's trying to set you up for life, girl. They say you dress how you want to be approached. So approach her like a mini businesswoman, period. This is a size 100. Oh, they got me. I got another thing with some fur. Okay, hold on, y'all. Wait a minute. Let's get to it. Let's see this. Okay, this is just her, this is just a knitted onesie, one piece. So I got the legs all the way down. I'm gonna get her some fire J's to go with this. It got the button down all the way. It also comes with a little hood. Cute, and it's a long sleeve as well. So this is that. She's gonna have some fire J's to go with this, y'all. Good. So she got a fur hood. That's cute. I'm gonna have to put that together. All right. Mama got her back. Okay, guys, let's go ahead and zoom through this, y'all, because I'm hungry, and we already about to be in 20 minutes of a video. She got, this next outfit is a size 92. We got another skirt. Well, no, this is like an overall dress. So this is her, like, overall kind of square dress. This is her shirt, which is her seem a little big. This is her white shirt. It has ruffles around the neck. I want to say most of her shirts come with ruffles around the neck. This is outfit, this one size is 62, so it's a bit small. Got a little belt. Full onesie. It's a leopard pink full onesie. This is just too cute to me. Y'all, look at that. That's just too cute. All right. This outfit is a number 62. So it comes with this little pink blouse. Did they put it inside out? No, okay. It comes with this little pink blouse and this little two like little collar things right here. And then you have your kind of jean fabricated skirt. So you have these and these. So it looks like this. It'll look like this. We're almost done, y'all. We're almost done. She got this outfit. It is a number 68. Y'all, I'm not really upset in it. So it comes with this little brown shirt. It's a onesie as well. It has ruffles in the front and ruffles in the back along the shoulders and the chest area. It came with a belt as well. She's gonna be cute with her little belts. And then these are the pants. They're like balloon kind of like pants. I really thought this was really cute. Like really cute. All right, next outfit. This is a size 68. Stock her up because you never know what'll happen in life. You never know if you'll lose your job. So just get them everything they need, and you ain't gotta worry about them. You gotta worry about what you gonna do, what you got, what you know. It came with another little blue belt. Here's her gray onesie shirt. It got ruffles on the little shoulders. It is a onesie as well. Here are her little pants. I just thought these was the cutest. It has a little bow on the front of them. And it's like the little wide, like bubble cuff legs at the bottom. She's gonna be cute in it. This one is just like a another like kind of like just lounge around kind of like outfit. Oh, I get it. Just some like little tie-dye pants. These will probably be more like pajamas, because I mean, where you going with this, like this type of material? So these will probably be like some pajama pants or something. And then it came with the little hoodie, and it just says smile on the front. So the next little outfit that we have is a 62. So you got the bow. This is definitely something that she's gonna wear when she's smaller, because it has like the little penny, like kind of like thing, like the little shorts, the little brief shorts. It does have like the little ruffles on them, you know. And then it has, this is a nice little church outfit. This is a nice church outfit. And then this is the blouse. It's like a flowery kind of imprinted cut blouse. All right, this is the next outfit. This is a size 90. So this is the next little outfit we have. And I'm debating on if I'm going to allow her to wear this outfit or not, because I didn't know that this was a crop top. I thought it was a full shirt. But it's a long sleeve. You got your, what do you call this? What's the khaki at the bottom with your 2 buttons on the bottom. She got another little belt. All these belts. And then a skirt. So this the skirt. This the shirt and this the skirt. Nah, I ain't that type of parent. Sorry. She'll have a whole undershirt up under there playing with me. This is the next outfit. This is a size 74. It came with another like blue jean like little belt. I hope I remember where all these belts go to. Probably so. Here is her little skirt. This one is just too cute. This one is to die for. It has a little bow in the front, and it's ruffled at the top of the waist, and then it's flared out. And then it just came with a plain white onesie long sleeve shirt with the ruffled shoulders. And I'm starting to think some of these shirts look alike. You feel me? All right, y'all, we got 2 more outfits. This is a size 92. Okay, so this is the shirt. This is the front of the shirt. It's a button down, nice little plaid little shirt with ruffled arms. It has the 2 like collars that go the same front and in the back. And then you have her suspender skirt. So this and this go like that. All right, one more outfit after this one. This one is a size 68 skirt, but they didn't hook them up, so it must got like options of where you, yeah, it got options in the inside. The inside come with buttons, and then the suspenders have like a few like little options where you could put like the thing if the sleeves are like too long for the child. So this is her little suspender pink skirt. Real cute, little ruffle skirt. And then she just has a nice little white blouse with cuff arms. All right, last outfit, y'all. This one is a size 68. The belt. I think those are bows. I think you're supposed to make bows with them. This is the skirt, you guys. A nice burgundy bow ruffled skirt at the waist and flared out at the bottom. And this is her white onesie shirt. Little kind of like design at the arms of the shirt. And yeah, it's just cute, you guys. So that was my baby Shein clothing haul, you guys. Like I said, make sure y'all follow her TikTok. I will put it in the description box of this video later on throughout the video once I create her TikTok for her, so that she can model her clothes and show her clothes and show y'all what it looks like on her little millennium skin. Anyways, you guys, that's all that I have for you guys. If you like this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up, and I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in another video. Peace.